Hi, I'm Amber from Amber's Craft Week blog, and today I'm going to show you how to make wedding table numbers. I apologize if my voice sounds a little funny. I'm just getting over a cold, so please bear with me. To make this craft, you will need some glitter cardstock, some glue. You'll also need the templates that I designed for this project. I'll have PNG files up on my craft blog that you can print and cut out by hand. I'm also going to have SVG files up on my Etsy page, so I'll link to both of those below. Lastly, you're going to need some way to cut out the table numbers. If you have a die cutting machine, I'd recommend that method because it's fast and easy, and that's how I did it. But you can also do this by hand, so you'll just need a pencil and scissors and an X-Acto knife, and you can do the exact same thing. It'll be a little longer and a little more tedious, but it'll still work. So here's what our numbers look like when they come straight from the Cameo. Now the first thing we want to do is to fold along the perforations. Perforations are probably pretty hard to see from this side. You can maybe see them a little bit better from the other side. And we're just going to fold them outward. So we're just going to follow the perforations and fold outward because that's how our number is going to be able to stand up. So we're going to do the same thing to both of these. So just following our perforations. Now after this, the next thing we want to do is to glue our numbers back to back. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm just going to very carefully try to line everything up. Now we just have to wait for our number to dry. Once our number is dry, we're going to insert it into the circle. So there's an opening in the circle. We're going to take our flaps and place them together and then slide through. And then we're going to open up our flaps on this side. Get everything adjusted. And then glue our flaps down. So you want this to sit up straight. Which it may take a little bit of wiggling because of how thick the cardstock is. You may also want to make your slit slightly bigger than the one that I did. I just, made a little slit in it, but you may want to actually give it some thickness so the cardstock will sit in there a little better. Now that we've got this to a point where it will stand up, we're going to go ahead and put some glue on the flaps. And now we're going to let this dry. As a quick update, I just wanted to show you that I went ahead and widened the slit in the base template. So now the number fits in a lot better. So if you just pinch the corners and you slide it in, you can see that slides on nicely. We had a little bit of trouble before, but now there's plenty of room. And so it'll be much easier to glue down the flaps, and that's all we have left to do. And that should sit flat. So we'll just put a little bit of glue on the flaps and fasten it together, and this one will be done. And you can see that was much easier, so we just need to let it sit and dry for a moment, but the number looks really nice. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, I'd love it if you gave it a like. If you want to see more wedding craft tutorials or more crafts in general, you may want to subscribe. You may also want to check out my craft blog, amberscraftweek.blogspot.com, which I'll link to below. Thanks for watching and have a great day!